Oh shit. We're live on YouTube. Sorry, saw a spot on the Lambo. I had to get the Lambo looking good for its debut. For the debut. Woo. Woo. God damn. God damn. Oh God. It's crazy. Absolutely crazy, my friends. What a time to be alive. What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. We are live. We're doing it. We're doing it, Junior. I can't figure out, Are we rolling contracts? Are we rolling contracts? This is always my favorite part of like trading futures, is trying to figure out when to roll contracts. All right, looking at the NASDAQ contracts here, June. The June volume right now on June, 60,000. And then, what the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? September. It's got more volume. We're rolling, baby. We got 60,000 volume on the June contracts. We got 74,000 on the September contracts. So it is time to roll, baby. Roll, roll, roll. We're gonna roll and roll and roll in. Just gonna keep on rolling. Rolling, rolling, rolling. All right, all right. 19,950. We're looking here at the September NASDAQ contracts. September NASDAQ contracts. Get ready, my friends. It's time. So if you're wondering how to roll, basically, if you're on TradingView, you just type in, you could basically just type in NQ1 exclamation mark, and that'll bring up the, like, I guess, most relevant contract being September contracts. So we are now trading the September contracts. All right, all right. It's time to party. All right. Auto. You can also, on TradingView as well, you can auto roll as well. So it'll be NQ. The contract itself is NQ4. NQU. U as in underbelly. What's the NQ? What's the U mean? What's a word for you? If you were like, you know how they do like Bravo, Charlie, Dan, dog, uniform? Umbrella? So you say uniform? Is that if I was on the speaker and I was like, it's a NQ uniform. Uniform. U as in uniform. U as in umbrella? Utah. Oh, it's Utah. Or is it uniform? Utah would sound pretty good. Uniform. It's uniform. Uniform. All right, all right. Aviation is uniform. There we go. You know, I'm a bit of an aviation type of guy myself. You know, I got this. You know, I got these cars here. They're kind of like pretty much like airplanes. You know, pretty much like airplanes here. All right, it's Mega Money Mondays, baby. We have no news today. We got no news today. No news. It's a Monday and there's no news, so I'm a little I don't know. We'll see what happens. We don't really have much of a gap here either. So if we look here on the QQQ, we closed there on Friday, pretty much like right where we're about to open up. So, I don't know. No gap. We basically broke the all-time highs, 20,000 there on the September contracts last night. On the NASDAQ here. Oh, I hate Mondays with no news. Mondays with no news are not, I don't get excited. I don't get excited for that, but we'll see. We'll see what happens, you know. Patience, my friends. Patience. You want to see the Lambo? Oh, okay. We got to get more likes on the stream to get more Lambo love. Maybe I'll do a whole live stream from inside the Lambo at some point. Guys, when I was driving the Subaru in fucking Hawaii, like, I don't know why you people are so confused about this. The reason that I sold my Raptor when I was living in Hawaii, and I needed a car, so I just bought my friend's Subaru before I bought another car, right? I don't know if you all have been to Hawaii, but it's not easy to like buy cars and stuff. It's just, everything's more difficult in Hawaii. So I needed a vehicle, so I bought the Subaru to drive. It's not that I was like broke and I could only afford a Subaru. It's just that there was no other options at the time. It was $5,000. I bought a Subaru. I drove it. Whoop-de fucking dude all day. People are like, Patrick, I thought you liked Subarus. I thought you liked the Subaru. Patrick, what happened? You changed so much. Patrick, you changed. I've always been a rich prick. All right, I've always been a rich prick. Always. All right, right now looking here at the NASDAQ, we got the overnight low down there at the 934s. 934s right now, the overnight low, the high up there, 20,012s. Ooh, buddy, it's Mega Money Mondays. You know who's doing it like we do it? Nobody. Nobody's doing it like this, baby. Nobody. Did you have to do a lot of negotiation to trade in the Hummer? Pretty much, just walked in and said, hey, I want to trade in the Hummer on the Lambo. And well, luckily the Hummer only had 300 miles. The Hummer was like brand new, had 300 miles on it, so it was pretty much like trading in a brand new car. But honestly, the Hummer just did not fit in the garage, so I had to get the Lambo. Patrick, do you still do the ice bath? I haven't done the ice bath. What's my daily driver? I've got a Ford Raptor. Ford Raptor. When's the next 90% discount coming back? I don't know, man. Probably not for a minute. It was going on for like 2 months, so. Which one of the two cars do I like the most? I mean, I still think the McLaren is, honestly, like, driving the McLaren, driving the Lambo, I don't know why, but I feel like the McLaren is a lot wilder. I know the McLaren is stage 2. The turbos, I think the turbos really make a big difference. Where the V10 on the Lambo, it's not the. I feel like the Lambo is less scary, if that sounds funny. Like, I just feel like the Lambo is less scary. I can floor the Lambo, and the Lambo's, I don't feel like I get, like, it's not gonna kill me. But the McLaren, if you floor the McLaren, it gets to a point where the turbos kick in and it's like, ah, like it really starts going. So we'll see. The bikes over there, they're Super 73s. Little electric bicycles that we ride around here in South Florida. Oh, man. Ended up getting got fourth place this weekend. My fishing team. We got fourth place, and yeah, not what we wanted. We wanted first place, but I'll take a fourth place. It's better than last, you know. A little bit of money paid for the entry fee, basically. So it is what it is. Any plans to get my private pilot's license? Man, I don't know. I guess that's the evolution of rich people, right? You buy the cars, then you end up wanting to get a plane. I don't know. I'm gonna stick to the boats. I'm gonna stick to boating. Boating is, I feel like the ocean is just a little bit less scary. Flying a plane, boom, thing crashes down. Not too beautiful. I'm too beautiful to die in a plane crash. So I'll stick to the boats for now. I'm currently trading the September contracts. NQU. NQU. Patrick's the king of rent-a-car. Yes. All of my cars and boats are all rented. Nothing is real. It's all Photoshop. It's all good. Yeah, the planes are definitely expensive, that's for sure. My buddy has a plane. He's all about it. But I don't know. Why don't you have a private jet? I'm not that rich. I'm not that rich, man. I spent all my money on fishing. I blame the fishing. If you want to spend money, buy a boat and start fishing. You'll spend all your money real quick. People think that the Lambo is my greatest expense, but that fucking fishing team, that's my greatest expense. But, you know, you get a lot of joy out of it. Nothing I love more than winning. I don't know if you guys, have you seen the movie Molly's Game? Molly's Game, one of the bettors in that game talks about it. There is no better money than money won. And it's kind of like trading, right? When you trade, you win money. You don't really make it, you win it. So I think it's gotta have some valid. That's something valid about that. There is no greater money made than money won. Even like, you know, winning $2,500 for that fishing tournament, it wasn't the biggest paycheck ever, but still, it's nice to hold up a check. You know, let people know. Get a plane with a parachute. Oh, man. What rods and reels? We got custom rods and all the reels are Shimano. Top of the line, baby. Buy some farmland. Wait, you think farmland is a better investment than a Lambo and a McLaren? I don't know, man. I don't know. Oh, man. Those are just my office backgrounds. You know, some people buy artwork to put on the walls. I buy cars to put on the walls. I can't close the front of the Lamb. I can't close the McLaren because it's on the charger. The battery tender. You got to keep the battery on a tender. On a charger so it doesn't drain the battery. Next to Ferrari. I don't know, man. I don't know about that. I think the next thing I'm gonna buy is a bigger boat. Bigger boat, baby. I know people forget that I have a boat as well, a $500,000 boat in my backyard on the water, you know, so you know. Somebody said, ain't tax advantages on those cars. Well, guess what? There is tax advantages on those cars because, well, those cars are part of the Patrick Wieland marketing experience. Some businesses buy billboards and newspaper ads. Patrick Wieland just buys Lambos to put in the background of the videos. You know, how to get more views on YouTube. Buy a Lambo, baby. Buy a Lambo. All right, right now we are 9:10, getting ready for a market open. Looking here at the ES, both the ES and the NASDAQ overnight making all-time highs. Or wait, the ES did not make an all. Sorry about that. ES still has room to run. The all-time high is 518 area, 5,518 here. We are trading the September contracts, so We'll see what happens. Didn't know boats were that expensive. Oh, fucking boats are literally just a endless money pit. I put the Starlink. I got Starlink on the boat now. That was like $10,000. Every time you want to do anything to the boat, it's always a total process. All right, we got 19 minutes here till the market opens up. Nothing really out of the ordinary right now. We're sitting down here in this bottom of the range from the overnight. We got the high up there. We got no news today. No news. No news. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but I got a feeling that it's not a good thing. And by the way, we got an event coming up on Wednesday. It's a free event for all of my YouTube subscribers. The reason that I'm doing it this way is to try to keep out all the little trolls and all the idiots. So there's a link there in the chat. It's free to sign up. Hopefully you guys tune in there on Wednesday morning. We're going to just talk about the strategy, 15-minute range, and all that fun stuff. We are currently trading the September contracts. We're at 19,950 September contracts. There's more volume on the September contracts. Rips reckons that he is way more profitable than yourself. Well, you know, let Rips believe whatever the fuck he believes, and I'll just keep doing what I'm doing. So Rips lives in a blue fantasy world. That's the difference. The difference is Rips has blue lights and I have this in the background, you know? Point Patrick. If Rips is making so much money, why does his live stream look so bad? I don't know. Rips lost 23,000 on Friday. Guess what I didn't do on Friday? Lose money because I went fishing. And also, if Rips is so profitable, why is it that he's always trading combines? So weird. You know, I don't get it. Just weird. If you're the greatest trader ever and you are so experienced, why do you still trade combines? So, I don't know. Weird. It's a little weird. Don't get me wrong, you know, hey, I'm not going to sit here and tell you that I'm the most consistent trader in the entire world. But, you know, I've had some good days. I've had some bad days. And right now we're trading funded Apex accounts. Yes, that's right. Funded. Where is your F-250 truck? The F-250 was traded in for the Hummer. I've done a full, like, I've been trading cars like fucking Pokemon cards over here, baby. I'm over here just trading cars like Pokemon cards. I think I did pretty good, though. I started out with the Raptor, the F-250, the Bronco, right? Now I got the Raptor, I got a Lambo, and I got a McLaren. So that's like $600,000 just in my garage, plus the Raptor. You're thinking like maybe $700,000 worth of cars. You know, I started out with basically like $300,000 worth of cars, and now I've got $700,000. So, you know, I'm basically like a Pokemon card trader, you know, at this point. So the Lambo is paid in cash. There is no payments on the Lambo. I traded the Hummer plus $250,000 cash. Bow, 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 bow. The McLaren's also paid off as well. In total, how many cars and trucks do I have? I have only 3 right now. Only 3. I traded the Bronco as well. I traded the Bronco and the F-250 for the Hummer. Why pay them off? Just because I want to use them as assets and not... I don't know. Is the PA the same as funded? Yes, PA accounts are funded accounts. Performance accounts. Why not finance the cars, put your money to make 5 to 8% annually and use that interest to make payments? Well, you know, the way I look at it is the cars are paid off. So if I ever needed capital, I could get a loan against the cars, you know. I literally walked into the Lambo dealership and I walked in, told the guy, hey, I'm going to give you my Hummer. You're going to give me $100,000. I'm going to wire you $250,000 cash. I didn't even test drive it. I didn't even open it. I just fucking walked in, told him what the deal was, and I walked out with the car, baby. All right. Didn't you have any interest fishing the Big Rock tournament? I don't really have a boat for the Big Rock tournament. I need to get a bigger boat. I need a bigger boat, man. Are you bullish today? Well, I do like the fact that we're kind of at the bottom of the overnight range. If we're going to be chopping, we're going to be in this range today, well, this would be the bottom of that range, right, from the overnight. So if today is going to be a no news Monday and we're going to get choppy range action, well, we're at the bottom of that right now. So I guess it would be better to be bullish than bearish. But as of right now, just waiting. Patience, patience, patience. If you look at the hourly chart right now, we broke out to the upside here from Friday, Thursday high there. Right now, we're looking to see if we can turn that Friday and Thursday high into support. And we'll see what happens. I mean, the overnight range pretty much just going sideways right now. So let's see what happens. The gap still has not been filled. We'll see. Patience. I'd say the nice thing now is the fact that if we do break through that range, well, guess what? We know that there's a good chance that we move down there to the 890s there next. And we'll see how this plays out. Right now, we got pivot points here. Pivot points. We got stuck at the pivot point overnight, 20,018 area. 15 area, 20,015 area. We got a pivot point down there, 19,888, 89. We're below the VWAP right now. So, Hans, is this clown still streaming? I don't know. Are you a clown that still keeps coming and asking a clown question? These fucking people, man. Hey, just remember, they're thinking about me, and guess what? I'm not thinking about them. I'm not thinking about them. When I'm driving my Lambo around, guess what I'm not doing? I ain't thinking about them, but they thinking about me. They sitting there in their little miserable troll houses with their mommy and daddy or whatever the fuck they got going on, thinking about Patrick Wieland. But I ain't thinking about them. All right, all right. Right now, we're trading these September contracts. Everybody asking. This is NASDAQ NQU. NQU has more volume on it. Let's finish that up. Would you challenge Rips for a trading competition? Why? Why would I? What's the point? The dude is terrible. I don't need to have a competition with someone that I know is terrible. You know, like, what's the competition? Like, that'd be like me fighting a small child. It'd be like, Patrick, you should box a small child. That's what it would be like. You know, that's what it would be like. All right, we got 8 minutes here till the market opens up. Hey, Rips keeps roasting me. I don't think Rips is doing anything but fucking losing. Hey, he can sit there all day long and talk about me all he wants, but guess what? Guess what? I can't hear you! I can't hear you! I can't. I just can't fucking hear him. It's the weirdest thing. That fucking annoying ass voice of his. I can't hear it. I can't hear him. All right, right now NASDAQ is sitting down here at the 950s. We got the VWAP up there at the 6970s. You know. I'd like to box you. Hey, guess what, dentist, trader? Go put your fucking head up your butt and fight for air, bro. God, these fucking weirdos. Like, dude. Literally. I don't know how many full-grown men sit around thinking about me all day. God. Patrick, I want to box you. Okay, cool. Like, what the fuck is that? Fuck. Oh. Cool. Congratulations. Hey, whatever you do inside your house, you know, late at night when you're thinking about me, keep that to yourself. You know, keep that to yourself. I don't want to hear about your fucking, you know, your sexual tension. You know, just because you want to get into a ring and you want to roll around and fucking box me, hey, that's totally cool. I'm not against, you know, guys loving guys, but I prefer women. You know, I'm not against it, but that's not really how I roll. And I understand that maybe you like men. That's totally fine. I am a good looking guy. What can I say? I pretty much think that all the haters are literally they got a lot of sexual tension. That's what it is. Those guys got some sexual tension. That's why they be coming up in here talking. They're just so sexually fucking frustrated. You know, they're just sexually frustrated. That's why. That's my new thing. I think every single hater is literally, Rips just said that you're obsessed with him, that you DM him. I've never DM'd him, by the way. That's the biggest lie ever. But I will tell you who follows me. Rips. Rips follows me. I don't follow Rips, so that's a little weird. I know he's sitting there, you know, in his blue room late at night watching my Instagram stories. He actually was the first time that Rips, I'll actually talk about it. I think the first time that Rips actually DM'd me, on January 22nd. You can see right here. I'll put a screenshot on Twitter. It makes it a little bit better. Oh, man. This is how I know Rips fucking has the biggest man crush. This is how I know. I literally, it's just fucking hilarious. The guy is something else. Check this out. Check this out. It's comedy. Fucking comedy. Oh, look at this. So this is Rip's Instagram. The first time he ever messaged me on Instagram, you know what he said? Y'all ready for this? Get ready. Get ready. I'm dead. I'm motherfucking dead. He said good form. That's me working out, by the way. I knew it. I knew Rips always had a fucking crush on me. I fucking knew it. I fucking knew it. Oh my God. What's so funny about that? Okay, let's talk about it. I'm working out in my garage without my shirt on, right? Without my shirt on, doing bench presses. What? But Patrick. Good form. Oh, yes, Rips. Yes, yes, yes. Now we all know. Now we all know the truth. Who's got the biggest boner for Patrick Wieland on the internet? His name starts with an R and stops with an S. Hey, I don't know. I wouldn't message some guy that was working out and say, you know, good form. It's kind of weird. It's kind of weird. I don't know. This is a little weird. It's a little weird, you know. Again, nothing. I get guys all the time that message me and say, you know, that I'm good looking and stuff, but yeah, I don't, you know. If it's your homie, yeah, I mean, I wouldn't say Rips is my homie. That's the first time that we ever talked on social media. That was his thing. You're insecure, that's why. I know! I'm so insecure, you know, but at the end of the day, whenever I feel a little sad or a little insecure, I just walk over here. I'm back. I feel better now. I feel better. I feel good. I feel good. I'm back. I was feeling a little insecure there for a moment, but I'm back. I'm back. I'm ready, baby. I'm back. All right. We got 2 minutes till the market opens up here. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. He just said that you got a start Lambo. A Hurricane STO is a starter Lambo? Clearly he got no idea. That's a Huracan STO, motherfuckers. And that's a McLaren 600 LT, baby. I would not call a STO a starter Lambo by any means. By any means. And just, I wouldn't, you know, personally, I wouldn't call it that, but hey, whatever you're into, you know, whatever you're into, you know, hey, we're getting ready for the market to open. Get ready. Guess what? Hurricane STOs, $400,000. Woo! Rips don't even know what a fucking STO is. Oh, yes. All right, let's get ready for the market open. I got to pay for this Lambo, people. Let's go. Making some money, honey. All right. Right now, the NASDAQ holding this low right now. We got the overnight low down there at the 935s. Well, let's see what happens. Pivot point all the way up there at the 20,000s. We got the VWAP coming up right now. Here we go. Market is open. Boo, boo, boo. Let's see if we can get above that VWAP here. Let's get above that VWAP. Let's see what happens above the VWAP here. Today is a Monday with no news. No news. Don't forget about that. No news on a Monday. We want to be a little cautious. Expecting chop. Expecting the chop here. All right, testing the VWAP like we talked about earlier. We had the low. We're in this channel from the overnight. Try to be patient here, my friends. It's a Monday. We don't have any news. Expect choppy, crappy action. Ugh. All right, through the VWAP now. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. There's that choppy action that I'm worried about. Getting stuck there at the VWAP. VWAP holding us down. Look at that. Who would have thought that little blue line in the chart would hold us down? Got the ES making a new low right now. NASDAQ's holding up here right above the 14 EMA on the 1 minute chart right now. Needs to hold this 60 level. Back down there to the 50s again. NASDAQ back to the 50s from the VWAP now. We got the overnight low down here at the 35s. See if we get a trap here. See if we get a trap here. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, we are live doing it right here on YouTube. NASDAQ kind of pulling back here into the overnight lows right now. The ES just bounced off of the pivot point there. They're on the ES. The ES is ripping back up here. Look at the ES right now. Dollar selling off. NASDAQ can hold right here. Get this rip back up. We kind of trapped below the lows there. Got that VWAP again. Back up there at the 66s. NASDAQ still holding up for now. ES is straight up off of that pivot right now. 91 pivot right back up there. NASDAQ running the lows now. All right, so the NASDAQ right now ran the overnight low. If they can start pushing this back up, get a squeeze going, but right now, got to get the ES. Look at the ES right now, trying to get through this level. If the ES can get through this level and start working its way back up, I think NASDAQ will start to rip up. Be ready. Dollar's looking weak. NASDAQ back above the 40s gets interesting. 940s, got to get this breakthrough 940s and try to rip up there on the NASDAQ now. All right, we're trying to get this push up here on the NASDAQ through the 40s now. Get up there to the 54s. Just like I said, through the 40s there, looking for that push straight back up now. Get through the 14 EMA here. Come on, eat that 50 area. I want to see this start going, or I'm gonna just take it off for a quick profit here. If we can't get right through the 50s, I'm gonna take it off. I'm gonna basically move my stop right there to the 45s. I'm gonna move my target up a little bit more. And now I'm moving my target 47s here to lock in 1500 at least. And see if we can't get a nice pop to the upside through this high of this candle, that 1 minute candle right there to push through there. We get this push through, like I said, through the 40s. We got back above the 40s. There we go, up there to the 58. See if we get this push. MCQ said we're not going to go higher. Well, I guess we went higher. Up there to the 55s now. I'm moving my stop to 51s, guaranteeing that we get 53 or 2300 to lock in. If we get this pop through, we can still ride this a little bit higher. We got the VWAP right now up there at the 64s. We can't lose. We're in the green. Still, there's my 10 points, getting it done from the 40s. Like I said, through the 40s, we needed that push right back above this little level, 40s, right? We get that push up there, and there we go. The reaction. We held the overnight low, the ES as well. You can see the ES holding that pivot point there at the 91s and squeezing up there. All right, all right. There's a reason I don't listen to the chat. Just a small reason, you know? Just a little tiny reason that I don't listen to the chat all the time. Because, you know, the chat, they're smart and everything, but just not that smart. You know, just not that smart. I love you guys, but I don't love you that much. Let's go. All right, we got the VWAP up there at the 64s. NASDAQ, test that VWAP one more time. Let's see. Let's see. The ES having some trouble. NASDAQ having some trouble there at the 50s for now. Dollar pushing back up. I feel like the NASDAQ wants to at least kind of test the VWAP here. 55s to get through there. Nice form, Brosif. NASDAQ trying to hold up here at the 50s. We're right there at that 1 minute EMA. Right there, right now. Right here, right now. We got the 15-minute range coming up here as well in about 4 minutes here till 9:45. Will we push through the 60s? Take out the VWAP here. 54, 55. The ES is now pushing back up. Funny, the ES pushes back up. NASDAQ stuck right here. I think the ES shows more strength. NASDAQ will want to rip through the VWAP. Just got to get that ES breakout through the 97s there. The ES is trying to break out there through the 97s. That 500 level up there. ES trying to push. NASDAQ just holding up there at the 50s for now. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Hold the 50s, squeeze through the 60s. Let's see if we're going to get it. The breakout. Just want to try to avoid the chop here in case this thing chops back down. Oh, she's getting tight. She's getting real tight here on the NASDAQ. She's getting real tight here. That 2-minute candle, a little trap to the downside below the 50s and then pushing it right back up here. Who would have thought? Got that 59 area to break through. The ES is pushing straight up. NASDAQ's right below the VWAP here, about 10 points below the VWAP for now. NASDAQ back down. This is exactly what I didn't want to see, this chop back down there. Robert, we're trading the newer contracts. We're trading the newer contracts, my friend. Or we're trading the next contracts. September contracts. And the chop continues here. We're still holding up there at the lows, that 34 level getting defended. Getting defended here. Hard to say which way this goes. I feel like it's been a while since we haven't had like a gap. We've had pretty much like every night a gap somewhere in the chart from the previous day, and we've already kind of sitting there at the close from yesterday. So if we push through the 50 area here, we should try to take out that VWAP next. The ES trying to go. JT, I'm talking about the QQQ gap, not the NASDAQ gap. Right now, we're looking at the 2-minute chart. The 15-minute range still in play here. The low 928s. The VWAP up there at the 62s. The chop is real. The chop is real here. We got that pivot point down there, 19,889. Right now, we're breaking through the 15-minute opening range right now. Losing that 930 support. And that pivot point down there at the 889s. Will she get there? Looking weak. That pivot point down there, 19,889 there. Well, she... The ES is back to the pivot from earlier. Back to the pivot here on the ES, right through that pivot point now. ES just right through the pivot there. We got some support on Friday at this 900 level. Watching to see if we're going to respect that 15-minute chart now. Will we respect the opening range here at the 20s? Someone mentioned that the Dow is ripping higher. This is true. The Dow is ripping higher right now. How does the Dow correlate with the NASDAQ? Well, I mean, it's just the overall market, my friend. You got one index ripping higher, one index selling off. who's gonna win, you know? You like to see, like I would like to see all of the markets going together. You know, if the Dow's going higher, you want the NASDAQ to go higher. If you want the ES, you know, you really want to see the whole market kind of moving together. That's going to give you your best risk to reward. I see the dollar pulling back right now, also in a range here. Also in a range here. And by the way, we're doing an exclusive webinar event there. What is that? This Wednesday. So make sure you check it out. We'll be here. Even though the market's going to be closed on Wednesday, we'll be here. Well, futures trade, I think, until noon, and then the overall stock market's not open. So, what do I think about trading the second charts? Oh, no. I think you're getting a little crazy. People that trade the 5 second chart, I mean, I don't know. If it works for you, it works for you. Personally, I don't know about that. I don't know about that. The ES is holding up there right now. ES is holding the pivot point. NASDAQ's holding up down here. We got the VWAP all the way up there at the 958s. Oh, buddy. NASDAQ on a mission right now. Seek and destroy, baby. Seek and destroy. Ooh. NASDAQ right back up there to the 35, 34s. It's going to be one of those days. Gonna be one of the... We knew this would be the price action today. We knew it. You got the QQQ as well, bouncing off that pivot point, 478.17 level. The QQQ trying to push back up towards that VWAP now. VWAP, wappa, wappa, wappa. And the chop continues. Oh, Lord. Leonidas up $1,400 today. Says he's done. Another great day. Let's go. Fuck the haters. Hey. We stay winning, they stay hating, you know? They stay hating, we stay winning, baby. NASDAQ right back up there once again through the 30s. Oh, lordy, lordy. Take out this 30 level, run up there towards the VWAP next. What y'all think? VWAP coming up? Anybody got the VWAP plan? Anybody got the VWAP plan? VWAP plan? Will she go right to the VWAP is the question. Woo! Oh, buddy, she's trying to go to the VWAP. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Can you take me higher to a place where NASDAQ trying to push. Let's get that VWAP, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. I took the long from the 30s now, up there to the 45s. We got back above the 14 EMA there. This big old engulfing bullish candle got long for the break back above 30s. The push up there towards the 45s. Towards the VWAP there. Are you short? No, I'm 6-1. 6-1, baby. 6-1. 6-1. Number one day trader on YouTube. 6-1. I am long and I am strong. And there's the push back to the VWAP. Do you like the VWAP? You like the VWAP, don't you? The VWAP, it's very nice. Very, very nice. Very, 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 very nice. The VWAP, that is. I always love when people like hate on the VWAP. They're like, no, the VWAP's for retail traders. The VWAP's retail traders. Nice form, brosif. Let's go. Patrick got the leg extension surgery. Yeah, baby. All right, there's the VWAP push. Let's go. What's so funny is right now, the Dow is pulling back now. The NASDAQ's pushing up. ES pushed up. Interesting. Y'all see that QQQ push? Getting denied there at the VWAP. The chop is real, baby. Let's turn that VWAP into support, all right? Let's turn that VWAP into support. If we're looking to get long, I want to see this push. Push. Thank you, Patrick. Made $465 a day. Let's go. Love to see it. We love to see it, you know. We're all about it. Love seeing the fam winning, winning, winning. But Patrick, you never tell me when to buy. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. This ain't that kind of party, all right? This ain't that kind of party, boys. We're making wolves around here. We're making fucking bears and bulls. We're not fucking making sheep. We're not building sheep around here. I ain't got no sheep cars. I got a fucking bull. And I got a... I don't know what a McLaren is, but it's some kind of crazy animal. All right? That's the word. It's a wolf. The McLaren wolf. The wolf pack. It's a wolf pack up in here. All right, we get this VWAP area taken out. You know where we're going next. VWAP holding us down once again. Get through that 60 area, try to test that opening range high. If you look at the hourly candle as well, look at that hourly candle. 8 to 9 o'clock, or 9 to 10. Yeah, 9 to 10 o'clock. Big pushback up there. Gets through the VWAP here. We run to the top of that range. Which Lambo do you own? It's a STO, Huracan STO. It's basically like the base model, you know? Super cheap. Everybody can buy one anytime you want, you know? They sell them in Miami, pretty much at the gas stations. Everywhere. So... yeah, they're pretty much on every street corner. Every street corner is a Lambo dealership in Miami. I don't know if you've been to Miami, but pretty much all the basic Lambos, you can buy them at Walmart around here. The ES looking bullish, the NASDAQ looking bullish. We get through this 60 area, 20,000's in sight, baby. 20,000 is in sight. That's right, 20,000. Put it on the board. Put it on the board. That's right. That's right, Junior. Hopefully Rips is watching. I'll give him a good idea here on how to trade today. The SEO was $367,000. All right, now if we break through 55, we should make a new high here through the VWAP. Let's see. Through the 55s, we take out that high, through the 60s, through the VWAP, and we go... $55.50, trying to get through there at the VWAP. More power, more power, more power. I need more power. It's getting real tight here. Hey, who's gonna tell me this don't look like it wants to break out? Who? I'm like an owl. Who? She wants it. Gotta get through that VWAP there. Who? Trying to get this push up. Come on, baby. Get this party. Keep it going. Move my stop into the green here. $500. See if we can get this push through the higher 70 level. A little bit of trouble there for now. See if we're going to retest the VWAP here again. You can always re-enter. We can always re-enter. Hey, nothing wrong with getting out for a little bit of profit and re-entering if we need to. Dollar kind of popping up. I don't like how the dollar's popping up. I can't control everything, people. All right? I can't do everything around here. I should have taken my 10 points right there. I could have taken my 10 points, but I got greedy. 10 points a day. Oh, look at this. Come on. Stops me out for 8. Stopped out there for now. NASDAQ wanted a retest. Retester. Little retester. Retesting VWAP here once again. This is probably the best entry you could get. Holding up there the VWAP for now. Right now we're looking at the 2-minute chart. 2-minute chart sitting above the VWAP. Can we get this push through the highs, through the 70s there next? Woo, buddy. Ooh! 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 ES making a kind of a breakout from the opening range. So the ES making a breakout there. Will the NASDAQ get this push through the 70s there next? Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Who let the dogs out? Who? That's right. They hate us because they ain't us, boys. They hate us because they ain't us. NASDAQ holding here at the VWAP for now. Get this push straight up. Straight up. NASDAQ's just being shy right now. It's just being shy. We got to sing for it. Will you take me higher? Woo! Up there to the 70s now. Hey, I hope Rips is watching. We're teaching them how to trade today, baby. We're showing Rips how to get in and how to get out. Take money, make money. There you go. Look at that. There's your money, money, money. It's just like, what are they going to say now? You know, like, what can they possibly say at this point? What can they say? You know, like, what can they say at this point? What? What? What are they going to say? Patrick's a scammer. Patrick's a scam. He trades in hindsight. You know? Come on. What are they gonna say? What are they gonna say? Nothing. They got nothing to say. They got nothing to say. Get the fuck out of here. Look at that. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. Bang. Bang, 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 bang! Boom, 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 boom! Hey. Hey. Look at this. Look at this. This is the hands of a legend. Legendary. Legendary people. What is Rips doing over there? What is he doing? I'm looking at the order flow right here. Here's the confluence of the order flow. Get down, get the fuck out of here. Hey, I'm just, you know, I'm trying to think about who's a person. I'm like a shepherd. You know, I'm a shepherd out here, boys and girls. Maybe I'm not a shepherd. I'm the wolf. I'm the wolf that helps other wolves find the sheep, right? That's me. I'm the wolf, and I look for the other sheep, and every once in a while, you know, everybody knows I'm the motherfucking wolf, right? I'm the motherfucking wolf. And every once in a while, somebody comes along, and they see that Patrick's a wolf, and they go, damn, Patrick's a wolf. I want to be a part of this pack. I want to be in this pack. I don't want to be a sheep anymore. I can't save everybody. I can't save everybody, all right? It's just not possible. It's impossible to save everybody. But guess what I can do? The people that want to be saved, the people that want to fucking, they got blood. They got ice cold blood. They're pumping strong. They're pumped up every day. They come here, they make money, they get the fuck out of here. That's how we do it, all right? If you're not convinced yet, well, look at my Lambo. Look at my Lambo. And I want to make everybody, hey, I talked about this in the video the other day, talking about the Lambo, right? The Lambo is not a flex to say, hey, I'm like the best trader in the world. The Lambo is a flex to make fun of the idiots that have Lambos that claim to be the best traders. Because now it's like, you know, before everyone was like, well, Patrick, you're just a hater because Lambo Raul has a Lambo. And I'm like, I got a Lambo. I got a Lambo now, so I can make fun of Lambo Raul. You know, I can literally make fun of Lambo Raul because I have a Lambo now. You know, how great is that? Like, it gives me, like, it like legitimizes me making fun of Lambo Raul, you know? So, it's all good. Lambo Raul has a Bugatti. Fuck! God damn it! He's got a Bugatti, but I got a boat. And trust me, boats are a lot more fun. And you know what I mean? A lot more fun. All right? Boats are a lot more fun. All right? If you wink, wink, if you know what I mean. All right? Also, Lambo Raul lives in Doral. You know, who the fuck wants to live in Doral? I'd rather kill myself than live in fucking Doral. You ever been to Doral? You ever been to Doral? It's not nice. It's hot as shit. I live on the ocean, right? I got a boat. I got a Lambo. I got a McLaren. And I got a Raptor. I win. Lucas, I work in Doral. Well, yeah, sorry about that. You know what my dad doesn't have? My dad does not have a Lambo. My dad has a 2008 Ford F-250 that I drove when I was in high school. So, the same temp in Doral? No, it ain't. Have you, it is not the same. Doral, it's hot as balls. It's just like humidity. No, it is not the same. When you live on the ocean, it's totally different. Don't even try to tell me that living in Doral is the same as living in the ocean. Come on. That is not the same. There is nothing same about Doral versus where I live at. Buy your dad a new truck. I wouldn't, I'm not gonna buy him a truck. He's not good. If I buy him a new truck, what's that gonna do? It's incentivizing him, right? Nah. He works, he spends his money on his own stupid shit. He's got an airboat. You know, I'm not his daddy. My dad, he can take care of himself. I don't need to go buy him a truck. Is your father a good man? Yeah, he's a great guy. No one's got anything bad to say about my dad, but you know, he's got his own life to live, and that's not my deal. What is your girl's car? It's like a Chevy SUV. Take him on vacation. My dad don't need to go on vacation. He's got his own business. You know? My dad's got his own business. He's his own man. He can work for himself. I don't need to fucking take care of my daddy. Are those cars real or green screen? They're definitely green screen. Yeah, you can see right there the thingy. This is all green. Watch this. I'm in the green screen! I'm out of the green screen. It's a lot. It's AI. It's AI, baby. Here we go. NASDAQ up there to the 80s. Look at it. Just do. We just took the long here from the 50s, by the way. We took the long here from the 50s, by the way. You know? Where you at now? Taking out the highs there. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Woo! Woo! Woo, 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 woo! The funny part is, like, people that watch this stream for the first time, they're probably just like, what in the fuck is this guy smoking? Just high on life, baby. I'm high on life. You know? Why do you need so many cars? Because I'm shallow, all right? I'm a shallow person. More cars, more happiness. I don't know. I'm like a big kid. I'm the same as when I was 16, I had like trucks and cars and always like was doing stuff and building, like, you know, I will say the truck that I bought when I was 16 was $1,000, but you know, I had a jet ski, four-wheeler. I was a hustler, man. I worked 40, 50 hours a week when I was 16 trying to make that money, baby. Are you truly happy? No, I'm truly unhappy. Don't you see how unhappy I am? It's like I like the haters are good, man. We like them, you know. We like these guys. Don't you get hurricanes near the ocean? Oh, fuck. You think my Lambo is going to get taken out by the hurricane? Oh, fuck. Oh, I didn't think this through. I never thought this through. Oh, fuck. I never thought this through, man. I should have thought this through more. I really fucked up not thinking about this. Damn it. Hurricane, wait. Hold on, guys. Hold on a second. It's a Lambo Huracan. Is the Huracan the same as a hurricane? I'm confused. Wait. Her. Oh, man. All right, so the NASDAQ took out the opening range high, and now we're kind of turning that area into support. What happens next? The $1 million question. VWAP to the downside there. I'd love to see that VWAP get tested again. The Huracan Lambo. What if the fucking Lambo was the reason that the hurricane, you know, like what if you think about it, like what if the hurricane heard that I got a Huracan and the hurricane's like, I'm gonna get that Huracan, so I'm coming for you, boy. I might have jinxed all of Florida. Do I have any plans for the Huracan? Yeah, no, I'm sure I'll do something to it. Probably tune it, maybe do an exhaust on it. I don't know. Patrick, I saw you in Melbourne, Florida in your Hummer. No, you did not. I was not in Melbourne, Florida at any point in the Hummer. So it was not me. When are you gonna get married? Are you asking to marry me? Are you gonna marry me? Ooh, look at that. Back to the VWAP here. I like this setup. Let's see what happens. Is saltwater damage a concern? Yes, I'm very concerned about the saltwater coming out of the ocean into my garage and destroying destroying my Lambo. That would be very bad. That would be very fucking bad, okay? We do not want that to happen. It would not be good for the Lambo by any means. So. You will go entry if you see a good setup. Yeah, if I see a good setup here. See what happens. How much is a house on the water? Like $3 or $4 million to buy it. Do you ever catch sharks? Yes, unfortunately we do. I don't like the sharks, but we catch them. Another breakout incoming? I think so. Get through that, what is that, 75 level? Try to push up there through the high. We got a pivot point to the upside there. Pivot point, 20,015. Looks like we're holding up here at the VWAP for now. Yes, I'm looking for a long. No reason to get short here above the VWAP. Don't go chasing waterfalls. So we are looking for this breakout through the 75s and then try to take out this high. The overnight high is all the way up here, 20,012. So right now we're back above the VWAP. We're back above the opening range. Trying to get this push up here. Push, Junior. Your next car should be a Bugatti. Fuck, man. I want a bigger boat. I want to get a bigger boat. So I want to get a bigger, that'll be my next goal. If I'm going to buy anything, I'm buying a bigger boat. Can you tell us when to buy? I think pretty much like through 75s would be where you want to get long at. You use how much capital? $1 billion. Make you holla. If you guys haven't already hit the like button, help me like the likers. And by the way, we got a free event going on Wednesday. Make sure you sign up. This will not be public. I don't want no trolls. I don't want no bullshit. This is going to be 2 hours of us talking about strategy, talking about futures, and being motherfucking badasses. So if you're a little bitch, do not sign up. Don't do it. Don't come. Go somewhere else. We don't want you. We got more things. We got better things to do. All right? All right. And I'm okay. If you're offended by the idea of me calling you a little bitch, that's totally fine. Go ahead and just hit the X button. There's a little X button. Alt F4, actually. If you hit the Alt F4 button, it helps you put all of your lines on the chart. There will always be something to buy. God alone can satisfy. Like I told you guys last week, me and God, we got a deal, right? He don't talk about me, I don't talk about him, and we're good. And that's the deal I made, all right? I said, listen up. You, me, I get it, all right? You do you, I do me. Just let's keep it that way. The market continuing to chop city here. Jesus is your savior. I don't know. I'm not going to get all religious right now, but there's only one man that I look up to, and that's myself 5 years from now. Chasing the dream, baby. The goals. And don't even come at me. You know, I went to Catholic school growing up. I'm baptized. I got first communion, confirmation, all the fun stuff. I've done it. I know all about it. I've also been through a lot in my life. I've spent a lot of time talking to God, and we came to an agreement. And here we are now. The NASDAQ just choo into the downside here. I'm not going to get overly convinced that this is nice little pullback here. We'll see what happens. If you look here on the ES, this is kind of like what I like to look at here. Look at the ES right now. The ES is kind of like still, you know, holding up here. This NASDAQ move, I don't know about this. I feel like it's a trap. I wouldn't mind having your toys. Toys aren't a sin, but at the end of the day, God alone can satisfy. It's the love of money that is a sin. Hey, like I said, me and God, we got a deal. So that's between me and him, not between me and some random person on the internet. And now the Dow's pushing up. The Dow's fucking pushing straight back up through the highs now. What is this? What is happening? I think the NASDAQ's trapping. I'm not convinced yet. I'm not convinced. I'm not convinced yet. Welcome to No News Mondays. No News Mondays. Fucking A. Hey, the best part is, guess what? The best part is, you know what we didn't do? You know what we didn't do, everybody? Go ahead and let's just talk about it. We didn't get long. Why did we not get long? Because we didn't break above the high of a previous candle. So we stayed out of the long. Somebody asked me earlier about getting long. I said no reason to get long until we get back above 75s. So, yes, the market's pulling back here, but at the same time, guess what? I'm not long right now, and that's a good thing, obviously. Because if you were long from the 70s, you'd be hurting right now. All right. Now look at that push. Oh my God. Wow. Is that the trap? I don't know. It looks pretty fucking, that looks like a trap you make trappers in. If I've ever seen one. Holy shit. Oh Lord. It's funny too, because now the Dow's pulling back and the NASDAQ just popped up. You gotta love it. The dollar is going absolutely nowhere right now, by the way. If you're looking at the DXY, dollar's going nowhere. So that's never a good sign. Like we said earlier, we knew that there's no news today. It's Monday. We got a weird week. Wednesday, the market's closed. I don't fucking know. And so, what's interesting too is if you look here on the QQQ, we bounced off of that pivot, or not the pivot, off of that VWAP there. There was news earlier. What are you talking about news earlier? When was there news? I didn't see no news earlier. What you talking about, Willis? What you talking about? Empire State Manufacturing Index, 2-star news at 8:30. Okay. Apologies. You're right. There was some news at 8:30 this morning. State Manufacturing Index. But it wasn't a big deal. Let's just say that. There was no big deal news today. All right? No big deal news. So. Now we once again are testing this VWAP there. It's also interesting because if you look here, we're also testing the 14 EMA here on the 1-minute chart. I currently have no trades open, by the way, so we'll see what happens. We get back above, look at this, back above the VWAP right now. Oh, buddy. The ES starting to push. I told you that shit was looking trappy, man. I told you. I told you guys. That's some trappy looking shit right there, man. All right, NASDAQ again, back up here. Look at this rip. Good thing we didn't get fucking, didn't get short down here. Good thing. Good thing. Patrick, why are you gay? I don't know. Why are you gay, Simon? You tell me, and then I'll tell you. Oh, God. It takes one to know one, doesn't it, Simon? It takes one to know one. All right. Look at the NASDAQer. NASDAQ. Patrick, you know the word gay means happiest. Wait a second. You're telling me that the word gay means happy? I never knew this. I am a complete fucking imbecile. Come on, guys. I might play dumb, but I'm I'm highly educated in spending money. Everything else, not that educated. All right, let's see if we can build out a little bull flag here. Another setup opportunity. Want to try to avoid getting chopped up here. The market deciding which way it wants to go, where it wants to go, how it wants to go. Pat, Rips is stating that you called him, that you want to do something with him. Yeah, sure. Whatever Rips says. We all believe Rips, right? Rips obviously would never tell a lie. Rips would never tell everybody on YouTube that I was the first person to message him. And then, oh, that's so weird. First message that back in January 22nd, Rips messaged me and said, good form, brosif. I don't know. Looks a little weird. It's a little weird. Little weird. NASDAQ looking like she wants to go here off the VWAP now. Just want to see a little bit of consolidation here. Rips looks like a good trader. On what planet? On what planet does Rips look like a good trader? Just because he sits around talking and telling you a bunch of bullshit that nobody like, oh guys, so I'm looking right here. I can't even do his voice, but it's just like, it's crazy. You saw that Michael Patak, he wanted me to do a challenge with Dakota. You know who he did not say was Rips, so I wonder why. Interesting. I guess even the CEO of Top Step doesn't think that Rips is better than me. So, I don't know. Haters gonna hate, players gonna play. I'm scared of this chop right now. Do the challenge. Why? What is the point? What is the point in doing a challenge? It's so stupid. Like, here's the challenge. I go live on YouTube every day. So, that's the challenge. Here you go. Beat me. You win. What do I think about Coach Dakota? I mean, first off, his name is Coach Dakota. If he was really that good of a trader, would he really be a coach? I don't know. Like, you're gonna spend, if you could make so much money, why the fuck would you spend time coaching? You're gonna win the 500,000 from ICT. Yeah, no shit. We already knew that. There's no way ICT is gonna win the Robbins Cup. It's 6 months into it. He's not even on the leaderboard. Come on, people. Wake up. Wake up, people. All right, NASDAQ back up there to the 75 level. Through this level, I think we push up to the 20,000s next. Right now, we're trading the NASDAQ. Trading NASDAQ. We're not trading Forex. Trading the NQ. NQU. NQU. That's right. NQU. Have you ever traded gold? I traded gold ETFs back in the day, but not gold futures really. NASDAQ just sitting up here at the highs right now, having a little bit of trouble getting through there. Dollar looking weak. Will the dollar pull back here now? Got the VWAP down there at the 57s. Choppy McChopperson. Ooh, it's getting hot in here. Down there to the VWAP once again. Will the VWAP save the NASDAQ? See if we get a good reaction here off the VWAP now. VWAP settings. Everybody asking about my VWAP. That's my VWAP settings. I don't really change any of my settings, to be honest. The ES there, 5,501, pushing up now. NASDAQ trying to get back above the 70s here, off the VWAP now. Off the VWAP now. Look at the ES ripping right now. NASDAQ, nice little reaction there. Can we get back through that 75 level? VWAP settings. There's my VWAP settings. Take a screenshot. It'll last longer. All right, almost 15 minutes until 11 o'clock. Like I said, Wednesday, make sure you tune in. On Wednesday, we got this event going on. You gotta sign up if you want it. If you don't sign up, you're not invited. It will not be live on YouTube. It'll be private on YouTube. We'll send you a link later in the morning. But just trying to keep out the bullshit, trying to keep out the haters. Basically just 2 hours of very focused action. You know, I just want to give, it's at 8:30 a.m. Eastern. If you can't tune in, you'll still get a link and you'll be able to watch the webinar later on in the day. But you, like I said, you will only get access to it if you sign up. Because I'm trying to keep out all the little silly billies. I don't want Rips to join. If Rips joins, he's gonna learn too much, and then he'll get better at trading. We can't have that happening. Right now, look at this, off the VWAP again. Holy lordy lordy, who would have thought VWAP, baby. You guys like the VWAP? I love the VWAP. I remember when people used to tell me, oh, VWAP's a scam. No one trades the VWAP. VWAP's for retail traders only. Yeah, sure. All right, if we can get this breakout here, I'm looking for the first candle to make a new high through one of these candles. So this high on that candle, 73.50, 73.50, 70, 75. So we basically want to get above that 73.50 area. Patrick, do you have a Lambo? Nope. No Lambos here. I'm poor. Show the daily P&L. Okay, hold on one second. Let's see if this happens first. P&L update. It's not looking amazing. Probably like 2,000, I don't know, like 2,000, like only a couple $1,000. Trading pretty tight today. Taking quick profits. I didn't really have much. I didn't really have a lot of hope for this move today, but I think we're gonna get this push. Got to take out that 73.50 area. 73.50. And we're off to the races here. Oh, she's getting so tight right now. She's getting real tight here. To break out. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. The high on that last candle, 72.75. So we're pretty much, I want to see these candles get taken out here. Got to break out of this range here. Back to the VWAP again. Lower highs, correct. See what happens here at the VWAP again. Bum, 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 bum. The chop city continues here. Oh, you gotta love Mondays sometimes. They're so much fun. Mondays can be such a hit or miss sometimes. I feel like Monday is normally just not my best day of the week in terms of price action. What's your best day of the week? What's your best day of the week for you guys? What do you normally feel like you do the best? Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat. Back to the VWAP once again. Oh, lordy, lordy. If we lose this VWAP support, not looking good. Chop it back down here. They really need to bounce this right back up off this, or we're in trouble. Thoughts on a GTR? A lot of potential. I mean, maybe if you're like 16 years old. %, win rate on Saturdays. Yeah, buddy. Saturdays are for the boys. This is why I really love the idea of having a level, you know, being like, I'm not going to get long until we break through a certain level, because it helps you avoid this choppy bullshit like this. Right? Helps you avoid it. How was your experience with Take Profit Trader? It's been great. Yeah, really quick to pay out and simple, easy. You can check out onlyprofirms.com to get the latest in terms of deals and what prop firms are doing what. Onlyprofirms.com. We got you, baby. We help you, help me. Help you, help you. Help me, help you. Dollar chopping back up. NASDAQ below the VWAP again. If you look at the bigger picture right now, look at the 15-minute chart. It's a hard one, my friends. It's not sexy, that's for sure. The 30% consistency rule is calculated based on the days that you're requesting for a payout. So NASDAQ right back up there again, trapping below the VWAP. The chop is real. Future millionaire. My live stream was delayed. Was there any answer to if you can copy trade multiple combines? Yes, you can copy trade multiple evaluations. MD 2020 TV, would I look for a short if we break out of the range? Probably not. Unless we break out of this range down here, so. Is it okay to go long? I mean, I think it's better to go long than go short, but it's obviously not financial advice, you know? Yeah, not financial advice here, people. Someone's gonna literally go, but you told me to get long and it went down. Oh God, it never fails. Patrick, I watched your live stream and I got long when you said to get long and the market crashed and I lost everything. Oh, it's all my fault. It is always my fucking fault. Lizette, we are looking at the NQU right now. NQU. Lizette. NQU is September contracts. Got to get through that 74 level here and then start working our way up. We're just consolidating right here before I move up, I think. Let's see if we can get this pushed through here now. Oh, the ES is ripping. The Nasdaq's trying to rip it up here. At that 75 level, we got to go through 75s hard. Hard. Got to go through it hard. I want to go right into the 80s here. Right into the 80s. Go, 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 go. Oh, ooh, ooh, ooh. That's what I didn't like to see. Just gonna move my stop to break even. This is my last trade of the day. So, I don't want to give back any profits. 75 chop. 75 chopping for now. Son of a bitch. Now it's gonna pop. Are you kidding me? Are you? Don't do it to me like that. Don't do it to me like that, you motherfuckers. Motherfuckers. You're a dirty dog. You're a dirty, dirty dog, Nasdaq. No way. No fucking way. This thing's gonna just go straight up now. No way. No fucking way. Dollar selling off. Nasdaq trying to push. Can you manually close trades on a PA account? Yeah. Why not? Totally fine. Totally fine. Oh, you son of a bitch. That's what happens when you get too tight. You get too tight at your stops. There's that. I got stopped out at 70. It went 69. And then look at it, pops up 10 fucking points. Classic. Motherfucking classic. You can't make this shit up. Ain't nobody doing it like we do it. Ain't nobody doing it like we do it. Ain't nobody doing it like we do it. You hear me? Ain't nobody. Oh my guys, you gotta be kidding me, right? Why? I'm kidding. I'm not upset actually. I'm just a little. I'm going full port. I'm going full port. I'm losing everything now. Oh man, we have a good time around here. If you're not having a good time, well, I know where you can go. I know exactly where you can go. And you can have a bad time over there. But I think we're having a fucking real good time. Oh my Lord. Look at this. Look at this. I sacrificed myself for you guys. I sacrificed myself for you, okay? I did it for you. I got stopped out so that it would go up fucking 20 points. I did it for you. So go ahead and hit that fucking like button. All right, Brosif, you got good form? Hit the like button. You gotta hit the like button. All right? I told you this shit wanted to go up, didn't I? Didn't I? I know. Guys, it was the last trade of the day. I just didn't want to give back any profit. It's all good, man. It's all good. It's all fucking good. I ain't worried about it. I'm green. I didn't have very high expectations for the setups today, so I'm like totally fine. Nothing wrong with just walking away in the green, especially on a day like where we didn't have a gap in the chart. We didn't have anything out of the ordinary that I like to see. You know, I wasn't convinced. You know, I wasn't convinced that we were going to get a good move today. So Totally fine. Anybody that's like gonna sit here and tell you that, oh, you gotta make a certain amount of money every fucking day. Well, guess what? They ain't making a certain amount of money every fucking day. I'm telling you right now. You know, they all talk shit on the internet about how you gotta do this and have these rules and you need to do this. But guess what? There's a reason they're on YouTube, and it's not because they're good traders. They're on YouTube because they need you, right? They need you. They need you. All right? They need you more than I do. Oh, buddy, baby, bubby. Look at this thing, still going through the 90s now. I'm gonna be able to walk away here in the green. We're gonna walk away here in the green. Got my PA counts, $200 across the board there. Pretty nothing too out of the ordinary there, but yeah, we just rocking and rolling. Rocking and rolling, baby. Money, 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 money. I gotta get this pay. I gotta get more consistent. I'll be honest. I definitely have fucked around. All right, I'll be honest, you guys. I have fucked around when it comes to getting payouts. You know, I was fucked around. No name. You were right this time, Patrick. Let's see tomorrow. I'm right every day. What's he talking about? What's he talking about? You were right this time. I'm always right, you little fuck. We stay winning. We stay winning. We stay winning. I do lose. I do have losing trades. I'll be honest. I do lose. Cameron, if you ever call me Patty, I will never take you anywhere. Patty, take me mahi fishing. Yeah, well, go fuck yourself. Do I look like a Patty? Like, hey, Patty, take me fishing. Hey, go fuck yourself. First off, I'm not your fucking bitch. And secondly, I ain't taking nobody fishing. God. Bunch of ungrateful little fucks. I'm over here helping you make money so that you could pay. That you could pay for your own boat. You know? I'm over here fucking doing it so that you can make money. Now they're all gonna come. I ain't taking you nowhere. I ain't taking nobody nowhere. So as you can see, let's just recap here. Let's just do a little quick recap, you know, for the people out there. Just a quick little fucking recap here. We got a line. We got the fucking push. Bang, bang, bang. We had our setup there. We took that trade, bang. We took this breakout setup. We had the VWAP. Oh, it was too gourd. Too gourd. I told y'all not to get short down here, didn't I? Don't say I didn't tell you. Don't say I didn't tell you. Look at it. It's still going higher. Where are the shorts at? Where are the shorts at now? All right. We win. Look at it. Somebody in the chat said that the market was looking weak. Okay. I like it. When somebody in the chat says it's looking weak, you know what's going to happen next. It's going to go up. It's going to go up. 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 It's still going up. Look at that pivot point coming up. Look at the pivot point coming up there. Oh, Lord. Lordy, lordy, Lord. Patrick Wieland. Patrick Wieland. Patrick Wieland. Patrick Wieland. Patrick Wieland. Oh, man. Oh, Lord. And there was a guy earlier who said to get short at 20,000. What a bad idea that was. What are you doing? What are you doing, bro? You gotta stop that. You gotta stop that. Don't go doing that. That's a bad idea. Very easy setup here. The break above this 73 level. We talked about this 73.50 area. Had to break through. We got the breakthrough. We retested up there to the pivot points. Let's go. Let's go. All right. I'm out of here. I got to go to Chipotle. You know, I got to get there before it gets too late. I want to get my food when it's fresh. You get there at 11 o'clock. You know that food. Wait, actually, it's wrong. I have seen them use the food from the day before at 11. Oh, fuck. Never mind. Bad idea. Don't go to Chipotle at 11. Wait till 12. 12 is a better time to go. All right, so we're going to walk away in the green. I like making money. I like making it easy, right? We do it easy. We like it easy. I like the money. We make the money. And there it is. I got two, I don't know. I got a Lambo. I got a McLaren. I don't know. What are they going to say now? What are they going to say? 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 Nothing! Absolutely nothing! Hey, remember, haters hate, winners win. Winners win, haters hate. All right, so there it is. Oh, you have a 10 girlfriend. Ooh, she'll be appreciative. She'll love that. She will love you saying that, Kelly. Thank you. Pat, get a helicopter. Oh, man. I don't know. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning for Turbo Tuesdays. Turbo Tuesdays right here on the #1 channel for trading and YouTubing and all that fun stuff. I will see you guys on the flip side. Peace to the Middle East.